Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. And as you see today, we are on the outside, on the wildness. Which is actually, it's not the wildness, it's our home. And special thanks to my lovely Helen, who's taking a video today for me. She is the best. Say hello.
Hello guys.
She's behind the camera, so you won't see her, you will see me.
I'm doing my best. I'm not the camera woman of the year, but
You are my woman. Simp. So as you see guys, today we are going to fix a lovely drink that called Paloma, which is actually a Mexican drink, but in Greece, because we live in Greece, my wife is Greek, they actually been asking for it a lot, and some of my friends they asking for the recipe, and I have seen something like, you know, like with the grapefruit and this stuff. So we're gonna do my own recipe of it, and it's actually very simple. It's just like a margarita, but actually it's without a triple sec. So let's get into it. We don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my eyes. So let's go straight to it. And I'm not wearing gloves because this drink is mine. I have an alcoholic problem, so let's go to it. So as I see you guys, we put some ice on the shaker just to cool it a bit. And now we just need 60 ml of white tequila or gold tequila, it depends about you, whatever you like. We pour that in there. We need some lemon, lime, it's up to you. Thank you, Helen, for this. And now actually, all what we need to do is, you see in here I cut it, but I'm gonna cut it again. We need a slice of grapefruit. You see it's rich. You squeeze it inside a bit and you leave it inside. And you cut another slice. And you squeeze it again and you leave it inside. Sorry for the noises outside guys, but actually because we are kind of outside, so it's a bit, you know, noisy outside. So now all what we need to do is ice, but before anything, what we need to do is to choose one glass, a long glass, and put lemon around it. Here you go, we have some salt. Put some salt around, put it in here. And now we go straight ahead and we shake. As you see the shaker, it's all cold up. Thank you Helen as well to bringing me this shaker. I love it. And thank you Futini for giving me this as a gift. Thank you, I love you. So let's go and pour this on our glass. Some people will ask why I didn't strain it. Well, this is why I didn't strain it. Look inside. You see there's some pieces of grapefruit soda in it? Lovely. This is why I didn't strain it, because I want the pieces to go inside your mouth, like straight ahead, you know, and it will be flavorful. So now all what we need to do, I don't want to put any ice in it. I will just gonna put some grapefruit soda in it, and that's it. Here you go. Look at the color, how it changed. And for the decoration, now actually you can enjoy it because it's one of the best Paloma. As you see, it's rich of everything, of color, of flavor. Hope you enjoy this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. It supports us of everything, and actually it's make us reach our goal. Hope you enjoy this video. Love you and see you for the next time. Cheers.